Hey everybody, on this episode of Mr. Fix, I'm going to show you how you can get a replacement for your sledge that's discolored. Now, if you see here, it's discolored after about 20 years and it's gotten pretty bad. So what did I do? I took a couple of pictures of it. You're going to go on the Schlage.ca. I'm going to put up this form. This is what it's going to look like. Fill it out to the best of your abilities and then attach those pictures. That's what I did, and I said, hey, what's going to happen? Didn't hear anything back from them. 1 week later, they say I'm getting this package. I said, okay, well, so what did they send me? Well, it's a brand new lock. Fantastic. So, what I'm going to show you now is the only thing that's different between this one and the other one is the actual lock itself. And I'm going to show you how to replace the actual lock and then quickly change the set. All right, so we have to change the cylinders here. This is the new one. This is the screw that we're going to take out, and the cylinder is going to come out. Okay, here's the cylinder. Now, on the old one, it's a little bit different design, but the screw is here. It's got this little plastic thing on top here that we can take out. And you notice here we have this little thing here held by that. We're going to take this. I'm going to take this out. So right here, we're just going to take this out. Take that right off. Here's the tube. So obviously there's a little bit of a size difference. It looks like this is a little bit bigger than that, but supposedly they say it shouldn't make a difference. I'm going to put it back inside here. It's like that. And then I'm going to put the screw. Then you got to have your little, like this, it goes like that. It sits flush. Now, the only thing you have to make sure is your holes line up. I had to re-drill the bottom one because the newer one was bigger. Top looks like it'll go okay. If you want to use the existing ones, this top one, remember that little piece of plastic that was on the other one? I had to put it back because that's the way the toggle was. It toggles differently, unless you wanted to change this one. But because this one was all in there, the other one might have been a little bit bigger. It would give me a big headache. So I wanted to use the existing one. Also this one, I use the existing one. The newer one is cheap as hell. I'm like, look at this thing. It's like, this one is solid, thick. If it discolors, I'll use the other one. But you know what? At the end of the day, I like this one better. Well built, works well, good. Want to lube it up a little bit with your silicone lube, it'd be good. Now this one here, just put it back the same way as what I got it here. Go in. Couple of screws. Looks really good compared to what it was before. Nice. Remember, look at your pre-existing lock. If you want to use the same hardware, you might have to jerry-rig a little bit when you change that cylinder. Thanks for watching. That's how you get a brand new sledge looking really sweet. And good luck to you and replacing your door handle for life. Schlage for life. Thanks for watching, Mr. Fix.